So here we have the table that was created for us by the JPA library. Now there's a couple things that let's fix here. Is that typically the naming convention in Java is that you use a noun for declaring your classes, and usually that noun is singular, right? Now the naming convention in relational databases is that usually your tables are also nouns, but the naming convention is that we typically use the plurals. Right, so a better name for this, for the table, would be widgets as opposed to widget singular. We can override the default naming by using other annotations, such as table, right? And we can say that the name that I want to use is widgets plural. Make sense? Right. So if I rerun this, what it'll do is that instead of modifying the old table, it'll just create a brand new table, right? Widgets. Okay, that has exactly the same information. So if we go and refresh here, notice that now we have two tables. We have the old widget table and the widgets table. Okay. Also, the table annotation is very important if you are interacting with a database that already exists. Right. So these tables, somebody already created them, and that's the name that they gave them. Right. But you not necessarily want to call your classes the same names as your tables. So this allows you to hook up whatever class you have to whatever tables you have, right? And then the field names are also follow the naming convention, right? So this usually you use camel case here in Java, but if you have a compound word, right, like topic ID, notice that what it probably did, right, is that the columns, notice that instead of topic capital ID, right, notice that it uses the underscore for that. See that? Which is fine, right? That's the naming convention for MySQL since it's case insensitive as opposed to in Java we are case sensitive, right? We use underscores in MySQL. Everybody good?